Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn to write simple sentences in Hindi. The topic is present indicative sentence. What is the meaning of present indicative sentence? Present means now, at present. Indicative means we should show something and we say some details about the thing, about any noun. It may be person, it may be the thing. We tell some details about the thing. In Hindi, how to write present indicative sentence. So now we are going to learn about it. Before going to lesson, let's recall the meaning for some words, important words. The first one, yah. Yah. Yah means he, she, this. The it will not come. It is not there. There is no meaning for yah. He, she, this. So here the meaning of Tamil also given. You can understand better. Vah. Vah means he, she, it, that. Hai means is. In English you would have studied is. This is a book. That is a pen. So is will come. Present tense. The is a helping verb to write the sentence in present tense. So hai means is. Kalam pen. Kitab book. Mandir temple. Ladka boy. Ladki girl. Kya what. Kaun who. So these all are the some basic words to understand the lesson better. So look at the lesson. There is a book. We tell some details about the book. In Hindi, how to do? In Hindi sentence, the verb will come at the end of the sentence. The verb may be main verb or helping verb. What are the main verbs? Go, come, eat, sleep, run, are the main verbs, action words. Helping verb like is, am, or, have, had. So these all are the examples for helping verbs. So in this lesson, we are going to learn present indicative sentence using helping verb alone, and especially is. So here there is a book. We tell the details of the book, some details. यह किताब है. What is this? यह किताब है. That means यह means he, she, this. Here this is the thing. The book is a non-living thing. So we should not use he or she. Here this. So this is a book. यह किताब है. This is a book. यह क्या है? What is this? To understand better the meaning of sentence, So you can understand in your mother tongue, because mother tongue, especially in Tamil. In Tamil and Hindi, the sentence formation will be similar. So you can understand in Tamil, it will be better. But in English, when you frame question, the question word will come first. So yah kya hai? What is this? Yah kitab hai. This is a book. This is a book. You should not use as it is, this book is. So this is a book. You should follow the rule of English when you translate into English. You should follow the rules in Hindi when you translate in Hindi. So in Hindi, verb will come at the end. So hai only is the verb, helping verb. When you indicate singular thing, singular person, you should use hai. Should use hai. So let's see the next slide. Now we indicate, we point out, we tell some details about the pen. वह कलम है. वह कलम है. Vah means he, she, it, that. But here, what meaning will come? It or that. Because when the thing is far away, you should use vah. When the thing is very nearby you should use yah. Yah means he, she, this, nearby. Vah means he, she, it, that. So vah kalam hai, that is a pen. Vah kya hai? What is that? Question mark. When you use question sentence in English, question word will come at the beginning. So what is that? Vah kalam hai, that is a pen. So let's see the next slide. So clock. Yah ghadi hai. What is mean by yah? This or he, she. But here, this. This is a clock. Yah kya hai? What is this? Can you understand? Vah yah ghadi hai. This is a clock. So clock, or you can tell watch also. Ghadi means watch also. When we indicate any person, the meaning will be different. So here we indicate a boy. We tell something about some details about the boy. Let's see. Vah ladka hai. What is the meaning for vah? He, she, it, that. So here, he or she, it or that. Which one will come? Because the person. So person also is a male. So he is a boy. Vah kaun hai? Kaun means who. What is the meaning for kaun? Who. Question word. So who is he? Who is he? Vah ladka hai. He is a boy. Vah Hari hai. He is Hari. Hari ladka hai. Hari is a boy. In English, always verb will come in the middle of the sentence. First subject, next verb, next complement in English. But in Hindi, verb will come at the end. You should follow correctly. Vah ladka Hari hai. Sometimes when we point out specific thing, so you can use that or this. So here we point out particular boy. So vah ladka Hari hai means that boy is Hari. Okay. Now we point out a girl. Yah ladki hai. So ladki female. So she is a girl. यह कौन है? हु इज शी? यह लड़की है, शी इज अ गर्ल. यह कमला है, शी इज कमला. एक लड़की कमला है, पर्टिकुलर गर्ल. सो दिस गर्ल इज कमला. There are many girls. We point out specific girl. So you should use the meaning of here. This girl is Kamala, because nearby a noun is there. So this girl. Okay, this girl is Kamala. Okay, I hope you would have understood this present indicative sentence. Now it's a time to homework. So here are some sentences, some questions based on the picture. So you should watch the videos very well, understand well the meaning of the sentence, meaning of the words. Then you should rewrite you should answer the following questions and send to WhatsApp. Already we said some mail IDs also, or you can copy in classwork for reference. So lesson number 1, present indicative sentence. So यह क्या है? So you should answer based on the picture. The second question, यह क्या है? The third question, यह क्या है? The pen is there. यह कौन है? यह कौन है? The fifth one, यह कौन है? So based on the picture, you should answer the following questions. So that is your homework. So please complete your homework. Write the exercise in your classwork note. Please watch the videos. Understand very well. Dhanyavad.